In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, decide which app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen and launch it in the background, like that. Now, you need to click on this icon of the rectangles at the top right corner and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this view, just go into background apps and swipe them. But most people forget that if you still want to use one of those apps, you can also hold those three dots in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!